Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Celer Network. Recently, we have seen that the price line of Celer Network broke out the resistance of the falling wedge, and I told you that from here, the price line can move up to make another attempt to break out the final resistance of 19.2 cents. Right now, we can see that the price line is again rejected by this final resistance of 19.2 cents. And in today's video, we will try to analyze whether the price line will break out this resistance or not, or it will be moved more down. And before starting the analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis. I've shared my link to join me here in the video's description. You can find there. First of all, I would like to show you this chart. And here we have already seen that the price line first formed this bearish pennant and broke out the resistance, but we did not have a powerful buying volume support like we had here and like we had here recently as well. And the price line again moved down, and still it was moving in this bigger falling wedge. And recently the price action broke out this resistance with the powerful buying volume support, and I told you that the price line can now make another attempt to break out the final resistance of 19.2 cents. You can see that the price line continued its rally, but again rejected by this 19.2 cents resistance level. Now if we take a look at the RSI, this is the stochastic oscillator, then you can see that the stochastic is still forming higher lows and higher highs, and it is not overbought now. So it is also possible that it will be turned bullish from here, and it will form another higher low, like it is continuously forming higher lows, and I'm expecting that it will form another higher low from here. Now if we watch the different support and resistance levels, then we can see that this is the third time we have been rejected by this 19.2 cents resistance level. Previously we were rejected here back on 24th of September and on 26th of September, and right now we are recently rejected by this resistance again. And this was our very strong support zone. Previously the price action has been moving here, like it has been moving here previously on 24th of September, and again moved up, and recently while testing this support of 14 cents to 12.5 cents from 30th September to almost 8th of October, it has been moving between this support and resistance zone. Sometimes we had some attempts to break out the next resistance of 15.5 cents, but it was rejected. Now after these several attempts, and this level has been used as a support here and as a support here as well, this 15.5 I'm talking about. And these recent attempts to break out this resistance, when it was turned into the resistance after the support, this has made this 15.5 cents as a very strong support right now. It can work as a very strong support, because as much it will be a strong resistance, as much it can be turned into the support, powerful support. And right now you can see that the price line is likely to move up from here, but if we again move back and watch the volume, so far the volume is not as that much powerful. Yes, it is possible that a lot more volume will be again entered in the market, and we will have another move, and the price line will make another attempt to break out this 19.2 cents resistance level. So unless this support is not broken down, we can expect that the price line can again move up to break out this resistance of 19.2 cents. And I would like to again draw your attention that this complete open alligator mouth formation on the daily time frame chart has been completely formed here. You can see that we have the 25 simple moving average above all, 50, and then 100 and 200 simple moving average below all. So right now we are having the smallest time frame moving average above all and the biggest time frame moving average below all. Therefore, after the formation of this open alligator mouth by the simple moving averages, the Celer network can behave more bullish, like it did here when we had the open alligator mouth formation completed here. At that time it was moving at approximately at 2 cents, and it rallied beyond 10 cents. And same as like that, recently we have formed this open alligator mouth. Therefore it is possible that Celer network will now behave more bullish, and without breaking down the support of 15.5 cents and without retesting this 14 cent support, it will be moved up from here. And if I place the Fibonacci tool from this low to this high, then we can see that the price line has been retraced between 0.50 to 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. And if I again place the Fibonacci tool from this low, from the I'm just showing you the previous rally, and from this low to this high, then price action was retraced exactly here at 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. Therefore, it is possible that right now again the price line will again have another reversal from here, or maybe it will be moved a little bit more down to move up to this 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. That is a golden pocket, and from here we will have another reversal. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description. Take care. Goodbye.